Now we move on to the differentiation. See, either you have to be a cost focused company or you can be a differentiator. Products should be perceived as unique by the customer. Differentiation can be based upon product features or creating consumer perception. Hence, be willing to pay a premium. See, in this category, you try to produce a product which either has amazing features or at least the customer should think that this is an amazing product. But it is a unique product. No other company is offering a product which is similar to the product which you are selling. If you are doing that, it's called as differentiation. So what's the benefit of having differentiation? If you have a unique product, the products come at a premium price, so higher margins. So if you are a unique product, you can sell at a very high range, but at a very high price, because there is no other comparison for your product. So people don't know like what price they have to pay for this product. So what happens is, you ask the price and people have to pay that price because there is no comparability that they can do. The second option is, benefit is, demand becomes less price elastic and so avoids costly competitive price wars. Even though there are like several smartphone companies have come in, still iPhone is able to charge a high price of 1 lakh rupees in Indian terms because they don't have any equal direct competitor. Life cycle extends as branding becomes possible, hence strengthening the entry barrier. So you can brand the product, okay, and you can still keep on extending its life cycle. For example, any bathing soap, once you have established a brand, then you can bring out more variants. Something like you start with a jasmine flavored soap, then you bring on sandal flavored, rose flavored, lavender flavored. You can keep on bringing some iterations. So what happens is, you are trying to extend you are using the same brand of the main product for other products. Once you are good in the soaps, you can also bring shampoos, you can also bring cosmetic items. Okay, so based upon the first branding, if you do it strongly, then you can extend it over a lot of products. So Apple, they were good in PC, then they used the branding in Mac, then for iPod, then for iPhone, then for iPad. So look how they are using the Apple as a brand. Differentiation can be sustained through creating difficulties in imitation. So Apple does it through intellectual property rights and also through reinvesting margins. Whatever money the company earns, it has to put into the branding. So the benefit of differentiation is huge. Okay, you are not selling a lot of items, you are selling a few items but at a very high price. So you earn a huge amount of profit and your competitors cannot attack you because you have a unique brand or a unique product. So that's a good thing about differentiation. The best case is Apple. We'll just see how Apple is making more amount of money. See, this is the time scale of the Apple iPhone from 2008 to 2018. If you can see here, at any point of time, the company launches 2 phones, okay, and at any point of time, okay, one phone keeps on extending for a long time and they launch another phone in the inter-between of the first phone's life. So assume that there are like 2 phones which have been launched. The 8GB phone is a huge hit. So what happens is, it is running for a period of from 2008 to 2010 mid. So they are suddenly launching another phone in the 2008 mid. So what happens is, they charge a high price here. As more people buy it, they keep reducing the price. So you can get an idea here. They launch a product at a high price and they keep reducing it. So it's called as a skimming pricing. So whoever is like willing to pay a high amount, they are getting their money. But at one point of time, when it reaches something like 40,000 or 60,000, they launch another phone at 1 lakh. So they again skim the 1 lakh. See, it's from 1 lakh to here, they are going to charge the same phone at 60, but again new phone is launched at 1 lakh. So this is the game they do. People are so crazy about this phone and iPhone is making money out of that. Look at their pricing. In terms of the price, okay, assume that they are going to price the product at $600, okay, half of it or 60% of the money is their profit. Okay, So you might wonder why this company is asking for such a profit. They are not charging that amount of profit. You are paying that amount of profit. So it's not about them asking the price. It's about you paying the price. So he has a huge brand and he asks the price.